Another type of fraud. This is quite funny, but it's also critical. Agree with this or not? But another common type of fraud, I have decided to call it self-initiated or internal fraud. Number one, I'll just give two examples. Number one, there is someone who blames the bank for the loss of their money, but that money was transferred from their account using their own phone, using their own mobile banking in their own houses. There are cases where a spouse will transfer your money from your bank account, then you go blaming the bank. There's cases where your own child, will monitor you enough to get access to that mobile banking application or USSD code. They'll transfer your money, but you'll go reporting that that was a fraudulent transaction, and you insist that you don't know whoever transferred the money, so that you don't want to take any liability in that transaction, but you didn't know what happened. And that is why some of the fraud cases cannot be easily solved, because you are withholding some information that you know, but you can't let your bank to know. Another example of self-initiated or internal fraud, and this majorly affects men. Let's talk about it. Umeenda pale kwa club, umefanyiwa chenye umefanyiwa, and inaitangwa mchele or something. Then someone gets to convince you, maybe you even give them your mobile banking pin, and you say it shouting, of course, because you are intoxicated and they have done some artificial modification with your mind, and they'll sweep your account clean. But once you sober up, you cannot admit that you are the one who caused the loss of your money. So you'll go to your bank and try to report that your money was stolen by a fraudster. But deep down in your heart, you know whatever that happened, it is not a fraudster that stole your money. You are the one who gave out your own phone, you are the one who gave out the PIN and everything, but you can never admit whatever happened. And if you don't know, the best thing in such cases, the best thing that you can ever do is going to report that incident. Of course, you have to report both to your bank and to the police, and explain the details of everything that transpired. Admit that you made a mistake. At least you'll give whoever that will be following up on that case an easy time to follow on that case. Because if you don't give information that is relevant in a particular case, that case will never end. So in case such something happen, whether you are stolen by your own spouse, your own child, your own friend, just admit. Go and report and give every information that pertains to whatever that transpired, so that you can get help. Otherwise, the bank will not be able to help you without you giving them clear information.